Hey, football fans, want to let your family watch every NFL game without buying extra subscriptions? Today, I'll show you how to share NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV with your loved ones. Quick and easy. First, you need to create a Google Family group. Go to Google Families, sign in, and click a Create a Family. Follow the steps to add up to 5 family members. Next, make sure your YouTube TV account, including NFL Sunday Ticket, is active under the Family Manager account. Once your family members are added, they'll automatically have access to your YouTube TV content at no extra cost. To watch, your family members just need to sign into YouTube TV using their Google account linked to your family group. They'll get full access to all channels, live games, and NFL Sunday Ticket features. Important notes: you can share with up to 5 people. Everyone must be in the same country, and this works for both the base plan bundle and the primetime channel version. And that's it. Sharing NFL Sunday Ticket with your family is simple, saves money, and keeps everyone in the game. Hit that subscribe button for more streaming tips